Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Vicky here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make these gorgeous easy cornrows, like easy peasy. Anyone can virtually make these cornrows, and there are just 6 of them. Look at how neat, gorgeous and beautiful they look, and I made them myself. I couldn't imagine making these myself, but I did, and you too can. If you're a learner and you want to know how to make cornrows all by yourself at home, this video is for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe now. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for returning. And without further ado, let's dive in.
Things I never thought I'd do, just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're not home, just so you know.
So to begin making your cornrows, you will need to begin with very clean hair. If your hair is virgin hair, you haven't relaxed it at all, then you will need to have it in a semi-dry state. It shouldn't be crusty dry, so you can easily part your hair. So I started by parting my hair into sections. You have to part your hair in front of a mirror if you really want your part to be neat. Next, I'm going in with my Kuza hair cream and my TCB hair food. So these are the hair greases I'll be using. You can also use any other hair grease of your choice. I applied this onto my hair so that my hair wouldn't be too light and my hair will be properly moisturized before I lock it in this cornrow braids. So I take my rat tail comb and cut, and I also comb the edges of my hair and the back part, and then I begin to pick the hair and braid. I twist, I pick it in 3 sections and I twist, pick in 3 sections and twist until I get to the back of my head. So as you can see, it's very easy to make. So I just braid it. Once I have finished cornrowing my hair, I braid, and then when I get to the middle part of the length of my hair, I now change from braids to twist. I find that twist has a way of protecting my ends more than braids, so and it's easy to take down, so I just prefer twisting the ends of my hair. Another thing is that those twists also make my hair fuller and it lasts better. So once you are done with the first part of your hair, you keep parting your hair into sections. First section, second section, and third one. So I'm currently on the third one. I repeat the same process. I also apply some moisture to my hair, and then I apply the grease again. Then I comb the ends of my hair, from the ends of my hair to the bottom. Once I am done combing and applying the grease, I now resume my braids. Don't forget to comb your edges so that the braids will be very neat. Look at how I'm picking the hair from the front. I don't leave any gaps. I take my time. So I'm really enjoying this braiding process because it's giving me this amazing look, and I love the way the back is turning out. It's really looking neat. So I'm repeating the process. Once I get to the ends of the braids, I braid down, and as I get to the middle part, I stop and then I start twisting. I think I would recommend this method to you guys because twisting your ends will help prevent it from breaking and will also secure your ends more. It will also lock in more moisture, so it will be a better method to end your cornrows. End your cornrows with twist and thank me later. So I always trim the ends of my hair. I don't like to see flyaway hairs or split ends, so I trim the ends of my hair so that my hair will be looking really healthy and nice. Now on to the next part. The same process, I go with my rat tail comb and I part my hair using my mirror. Then I secure the other part of my hair, keep it away, and then detangle, apply my grease to the hair. Once I apply my grease and I'm satisfied, I comb and I braid. Before braiding, I comb my edges just so that my braids will look really neat. So I comb my hair from the ends down and then I start braiding. Look at how I'm picking the hair. I'm going to put this on slow motion so that you can see how I braid my hair. So very slowly, I take it one after the other in 3 sections and I twist. I braid, I twist my hand, and I braid and I twist my hand. Very easy to make. And you can see how neat it is because I put a lot of tension onto my hair to ensure that there are no leave outs and the hair is very neat. I ensure that I pick every hair, and then when I get to the end of the hair, I start braiding. So I pick the 3 different parts of the hair and I start braiding. I braid and braid. When I get to the middle, I split it into 2 parts and twist. So that's how I do it to secure my ends. So I twist and twist. Once I get to the end of my hair, if I see any split end, I trim. Okay, that's it. So on to the final part. I finish splitting my hair into 2 parts. I applied some water. So I apply my grease, comb, and repeat. Just like I did before. I'm showing a lot of detail of how I do this braid. So I take my time. Even as I'm braiding the ends of my hair, I detangle. You see? So on to the last one, and I'm really going to show you how I start the braids in the first place. If you're enjoying this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think about these cornrows. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel to support me. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. So on to the final one. I get my grease and I apply. Please take note that hair breakage is real. Like, two things that are very real are hair breakage and hair shrinkage. The way my hair shrinks, and then sometimes the way my hair breaks, really wants to make me cry. Okay, so pay attention to this part. So this is where I begin my braids. I pick all the hairs in front of my hair and I start twisting them. I braid, I twist, I braid, I twist. So I'm twisting my hand and I'm braiding my hair, but then my hands I am twisting. So that's how I go about it. So that's the front part of my hair. I do this until I get to the center and continue until I get to the end part of my head. So as you can see, it is really very easy to braid your hair at home by yourself. One of the reasons why I don't like braiding my hair outside is because of how they manipulate my hair. Most of these hairstylists don't take their time to make my hair. They don't take their time to make our hair. They comb it the way they like, damage the hair, and then, cause a lot of hair problems for us. So even if I go with my comb and I tell them all the procedures they need to apply, sometimes it's really difficult for them to do it. So I end up with a lot of breakages. So the only option I have is to resort to braiding my hair myself. Now take a look at this beauty. Very gorgeous, very easy to make. That will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next one, love you all. Bye.